Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of me opening AliExpress DollarExpress deals. Let's get straight into it and see what I got this time. All right there. This one right here is 30 pieces of those cleaning pads for dishwashing. Yeah, pretty simple. Cost me only $1.99 for 30 pieces. Normally, if you even go to like for example Dollar Tree, you'll probably get 5 pieces for $1.29. I believe that's the current rate here at in California, but or at least my area. Yeah, 30 pieces for only $1.99. Pretty cool. Okay, next up is this is the waterproof case. This one right here is supposed to be able to fit phones up to 6.9 inches, I believe. And I figure, you know how my camera has those thick rugged cases, and hopefully it'll be able to fit the phone in there with the case on. This is actually a double-sided or double, yeah, basically two waterproof cases in one. You could put a phone here and then either have another phone, or you could put your keys and other electronic items in here, or even you know how what do you call it, a power bank, a battery power bank in here. But this one right here costs me $2.99. $2.99 for this. Not bad. I'll try it out, see the waterproofing. Supposedly we can submerge this about, I believe, 6 to 8 feet. I gotta double check, but yeah, this is a good waterproof case for traveling and everything, and not too bad. All right, next up, let's see what this is in the package. All right, this one right here is basically an extended nozzle for the heat guns. I just got a hold of a Ryobi wireless heat gun, 18-volt heat gun, and this one is basically, from what I know, is that most heat guns have universal heads or ends, and this is a universal adapter to plug to put, you know, to make the, well, yeah, you know what I mean. But this one right here, the adapter is 99 cents for this adapter right here. Normally I've seen the Ryobi adapters, they sell, I believe, 2 or 3, I like to say 3 pieces for about $10. This one I got it for 99 cents only for 1 piece. Pretty cool. I was hoping to have the other adapters like the cable adapter and everything, but I haven't seen it yet. But as soon as I see it, I'll grab onto it. But 99 cents for this adapter. All right, next up is this one is a USB flashlight. I've been getting a lot of different LED flashlights, rechargeable. I wanted to check this out, and I have to admit it is a lot smaller than you know what I thought it would be. I thought it would be the same size as I didn't have anything to compare it to right now, but I thought it would be a lot bigger, like at least this big. But look at that. It's basically a small micro flashlight, but pretty cool, you know, small enough to hang on or clip on. But it has a clip on here, but look how small that is. Wish I have a quarter in hand to show you. Actually, I do. Right here. This is a quarter, and look at the size of this. That's tiny. Wow. But anyways, let's see if how it works. I got two buttons here. No. No. There it goes on the side. Low. Pretty cool. I guess you press and hold, it turns off, and I believe the one on the left is this one right here. You press and hold. That's pretty cool. Actually, I like it very much. It has the key thing. I figured out. Here's the cable for recharging it. Now this one right here, it went for $2.59. $2.59 for a little mini LED light. Yeah, multi-use light, but pretty cool. But as far as in the size, it's pretty small, but I like it. Next up, this one right here is the shade, window shade. I got this before directly, or maybe from the not too long past, but this one right here is just foldable window shade. I needed to get more for my rear window, but as you can see right there, two-piece set. This one right here went for, I believe, $1.59 for a two-piece set. $1.59. So pretty cool, not too bad. Let's see. There you go. And it doesn't have anything to hold. It's gonna pop. So I'll go ahead and maybe just put it underneath here. All right. Okay, next up. All right, here, this is basically an LED door light. This one right here is magnetic. It works on magnets, and yeah, pretty simple door light. I actually got this as a gift, as gifts, but I got two pieces of this. This one right here went for $2.19 each. $2.19 each. I believe I got two. There should be one more in there. There it is, right there. $2.19 each. All right, this one right here is a Q11 smartwatch. Pretty cheap. I saw the price, $4.59. $4.59. I'm gonna give it a try. It's cheap, so I figure, hey, I'll just try it out to see. I don't have the watch on me. I had the original, the Cospet Optimus 2, but I've been having problem with, mainly because of the battery life. I'll be lucky that lasts for 4 or 5 hours, but it just the battery just went out. The watch is pretty good. It's just the timing, as in the batteries don't last that long on it. So I'm gonna try this out. Cheap smartwatch, see how it goes. All right, let's see. Let me check the rest. I believe that's it. 2 items left. This one right here is basically a card gauge for your bolts. It has different sizes. I believe like for example, this might be an M10 and M8, and so on and so on. So when you're messing around with different nuts and bolts, you want to see which size the thread is for the bolts right there, so it'll show you. So it's just a convenient tool to size up your bolts. This one right here went for $1.39, $1.39. It's steel. Hey, I figured I'll put it in my toolbox, so you know, when I'm trying to find the correct size bolt, I could just use this as reference. Next up, last item is the magnetic Magsafe metal adapter rings, and yeah, basically Magsafe type. I got it before previously, and I got it again just to have extra. I actually was looking into using mainly the I would say the QMs right here, because of this one right here, because of my the way my phone case is. It has a stand in the back, and this ring would basically just cover where the stand is, and I won't be able to use the stand. Now this one right here, I just make a ring out of these, and hopefully it works right. But $1.19 for a 3-piece set, pretty good. $1.19 for a 3-piece set. All right, let's put this here. Whoa, I knew it. You guys saw that. All right, let's see. Okay, I think everything's sort of in the picture. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.